So I am in the garden again, and this is the Japanese maple I've air layered on earlier on during the year. Just thought I'd do a bit of an update for the YouTube channel, and as you can see it has got explosive growth since the chop. Let's get in for a closer look. So as you see here, we've got new branching popping out everywhere. It's gone absolutely crazy, and I might have to take one of them trunks off, or I might keep one, I don't know yet. As you can see, I love this graft. Probably one of the best grafts I've ever seen. But anyway, as you can see, it goes all the way up here and then it splits, and I think I've decided on keeping this one, as I like how it's got that little zigzag movement. And if I was to keep this one all the way up here, and then just right here it comes back on itself, and that's not really what I like. Unless I was to drop it here and then it would die down to there anyway, which then I could use this as a side branch and keep this one as well. That's going to be interesting. Yes, I hope to post some more updates on this tree in the next season. Looking forward to the next one.